General Safety Regulations of 1986 definitions. Building work. Building work as defined in the General Administrative Regulations. Confined space. An enclosed, restricted or limited space in which, because of its construction, location, contents or work activity therein, a hazardous substance may accumulate or an oxygen-deficient atmosphere may occur, and includes any chamber or object in which a dangerous liquid or dangerous concentration of gas, vapor, dust or fumes may be present. Fire resistance means the minimum period for which a building element or component will comply with the requirements for stability, integrity and insulation when tested in accordance with SANS 10.177 Part 2. Flammable liquid means any liquid which produces a vapor that forms an explosive mixture with air and includes any liquid with a closed cup flash point of less than 55 degrees Celsius. High-risk substance. A substance listed in the schedule to the General Administrative Regulations. Scaffold. Any temporary elevated platform and supporting structure used for supporting workmen or materials or both. Put-log scaffold. A scaffold supported by a single row of standards and a structure in connection with which it is being used. Trestle scaffold. A working platform supported on trestles, step ladders, tripods and the like. Suspended scaffold. A working platform suspended from supports by means of one or more separate suspensions from each support. Boatswain chair. A suspended platform seat intended for the supporting of one person in an elevated position.